Hi, so this is my project. So it is a Todo app where users can list their tasks, so what they want to do. So this is a home page. It has a login and register page. So new user have to register first in order to log in. Just type username and confirm the password and click register. And after registering, they are redirected to a user account page. Since it is a new user, there is no task, so user has to create task. So let's create task. So for creating task, they have to click the plus button. So after clicking that, they need to type title, description, and a complete button is to whether the user, if the user has completed task, they can check this box. Okay, so description is optional, like you can give it or not. Just type the title first and click submit. So we can see that the task has been created. Just click the button, we can see the title and description, and add some more tasks here by clicking the plus sign. So we have three tasks, and so this is how the tasks are created. And after creating, we can update the task also. For example, in buy vegetable task, we have not added description, so just add it by editing it. So for editing and task, we have to click the name of the task, and we are redirected to this page. We can add a sample description here. Just add something example demo, then submit. And for confirming it, just click the name. So we can see that the editing is done here, updated here. This is how the editing works. So after if a user has completed task, they can click the task and check the box, complete box, and submit it. So it will be displayed in a strike through style. So it means that the task has been completed. After completing the task, the user can also delete the task by clicking the cross sign. So it will pop up a message whether you want to delete. Just click the delete button, and the task has been deleted. So we have implemented the basic CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete operations here. And also there is a search task where the user can search the task based on keywords. For example, just type milk and just click the search button. The task will be appear here. And for example, also house, just type the here, so there is no task. Okay, just type vegetable. Okay, or buy, like, yeah, two tasks will be appear. Just type vegetable veg. Okay, search, so the other task will appear. So this is how the search function works. And also we can reorder the task. If I want to move the buy milk task to bottom, just click the three dot button and drag it down. So buy milk appear in bottom. If I want to move the buy milk to top, just drag to bottom, sorry, drag to top. So the buy milk will appear in top. So this is how the To-Do app works. Also, this is also mobile responsive. If we just resize the window, it will appear in the exact window itself. So it is also mobile responsive. Yeah, so this is how the To-Do app works. Thank you.